What the hell's going on? I'm in the wrong business. Definitely in the wrong business.
Volvos, Freightliners, Kenworths. What are these shops really charging for labor rates? And in trucking, anything can happen on the road. And I mean anything. Now remember, repairs and maintenance is the third largest expense in this business. Could the type of truck that you own be the reason that it's putting you out of business? Today I'm calling OEM dealerships in 2 locations, California and Texas, to find out exactly what these shops are charging for labor rates. So let's start in California and call up those dealers.
Hey, dealership Fontana Truck Sales and Trailers, Fontana Equipment Locations menu. Let's contact them and see. Contact us, there is a form. Let's give them a call.
Check service.
Morning, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good, good. I was just wondering, what are your hourly labor rates over there for the Volvos?
For a truck?
Yes.
Yeah, 185.
185?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, thank you so much. Right, number one, $185 an hour for the Volvo. Let's call this Freightliner dealership.
Good morning, Freightliner Northwest. This is Jennifer.
Morning, how are you?
Good, how about yourself?
Good, good. I was just wondering, what are your hourly labor rates over there?
200, I think. Let me get you into the service counter. Give me just a moment, okay?
Thank you. 200, I think. That doesn't sound so good. I was just wondering, what do you guys bill for the your labor rates for the Freightliner Cascadias?
Yes, $200 per hour.
200?
200.
Awesome. Okay. Thank you so much. All right, we got California Freightliner at 200. Now let's go to Kenworth. Let's see what they got. All right, here we go. Pape, Kenworth. Good morning. Can you what are your hourly labor rates over there?
We're $239 an hour.
How much, sorry?
$239?
$239 an hour?
Correct.
Whew. Unbelievable.
Yeah.
Damn. Okay, thank you so much for your time.
No problem. Bye.
Bye-bye. Damn, $239 an hour? Ooh. Okay.
So now that we got our California rates, let's call dealerships in Texas and see if we can get cheaper rates.
Kenworth dealerships in Texas. All right, with MHC.
MHC Kenworth service.
Good morning, how are you?
Good, yourself?
Good, good. I was just wondering, what are your hourly shop rates there for labor rates?
Our labor rate is $250 an hour.
Sorry, $250?
Yes, sir, correct. And when we bring a truck in, we just ask for 2 hours diagnosing up front. And then, depending on what we find, we'll contact you with an estimate of further, whatever more time we might need.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye.
You booked the loads, you drove the miles, but somehow there's just nothing left in the pockets. You're not alone. There's thousands of drivers that are running hard, but are going broke. If you don't understand your cost per mile, you're just guessing your way through this business. Every mile you run includes fuel, your driver's pay, your truck and trailer payments, repairs and maintenance, factoring fees, dispatch fees. And don't forget to account your on-road expenses. And if you're not calculating every one of those costs, you're driving blind, and in most cases, you're driving at a loss. I've been an advocate for truck drivers for the last 4 years, and I've created a course that's going to help you out, to put more money in your pocket. It's clear with real-world examples, not examples for 10 or 15 years ago. Being an owner-operator isn't just about buying a truck. It's about running a business, a profitable business. And I want to make sure that yours pays off.
$250 an hour. What the hell is going on? I'm in the wrong business. I'm definitely in the wrong business. Freightliner, let's call them and see what their hourly rate is. We are calling Doggett, Freightliner, Doggett. All right, so this is in Converse, Texas. Morning, how are you?
Good, yourself?
Good, good. I was just wondering, what are your hourly labor rates over there?
$226.
$226 an hour?
Yes, sir.
Got it. Okay, thank you so much. Now, last one. Berners, Mac, and Volvo, 1866.
Good, how about you, sir?
Good, good. I was just wondering, what are the hourly labor rates that you guys have there?
They're $215 an hour.
$215? 1-5?
Yes. Yes.
215 per hour. Awesome. All right, thank you so much for your time. Okay, so we got our hourly labor rates, okay? I haven't done this exercise, and I am floored by the amount that they're charging for the hourly labor rates for a mechanic these days, okay? So what do we got? We got Volvos, we got California and Texas. In California, $185 an hour. In Texas, we got $215 an hour. Then we're moving over to the Freightliners. The Freightliner in California was $200 an hour. In Texas was $226 per hour. And then we have the Kenworths. In California, $239 per hour. And in Texas, $250 an hour.
So there you have it. We called the Volvo, the Kenworth, and the Freightliner dealers. And the average labor rate, well, it's sitting roughly around $225 to $230 per hour. There's no wonder why these companies are going out of business. Because if you take into consideration not only the labor rates, but you need to factor in the parts as well. In another video, I'll be covering a parts comparison of commonly replaced parts in these trucks, so you guys can see the difference on how much those parts cost. So as the third largest expense in trucking, what do you guys think about these labor rates? Are they outrageous? Is this the reason why companies are going out of business? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Ronan, and I'll catch you in my next video.